Yo! Spencer Wright here. And Billy Joe Cobra. He's an invisible ghost. How is it that only my homebods and I can see him? We've each got some of Billy Joe's gear. Yee-haw! Dude, that's my ghost! Hey! Hey! Whoa, whoa! These rollerblades are pretty sweet. Hey, Billy, I just got my next movie idea! Attack of the Rollerblading Zombies! Ha! Pretty jam, dude, but it's missing some awesome sauce. Attack of the Headless Rollerblading Zombies! Ah! Look out! Billy, you just trashed my camera, man. How am I supposed to make movies now?
Well, maybe you could find a new dream to follow. Skydiving, origami.
How about ghost strangling?
Let's keep thinking.
What? If somebody floated one, it wasn't me.
Could have been me.
Hey,
Huh?
that's my seat, Spencer.
Dog!
Students, as those of you who've met my friend Lorenzo here may already know, I am a great admirer of our feathered friends. Sadly, many birds in our area don't have a happy home. They're forced to sleep outdoors on a pile of sticks. That's why we'll be holding a candy drive to help them.
Is he serious? They're birds.
Those poor little Jews!
The proceeds of the drive will go toward building luxury condos for these unfortunate creatures, providing them with a life of dignity and comfort.
Woohoo! Yeah! Right on!
As an added incentive, whoever sells the most candy will win a 1-hour feeding frenzy from Gadgetropolis, where you can run around the store and grab anything you want. So, which of you generous, good-looking people would like to...
Hey, I can raise my own hand.
Just making sure. Those birdies need us, and you need a new camera. You broke yours, remember?
Okay, Spencer. Who else? How about someone who might actually raise some money?
I'm in. I don't even want this prize, Spencer. I'm only doing this so I can take it away from you.
Oh, yeah? Let's tango.
Oh, I forgot to mention that whoever sells the least candy will be appearing on the reality TV show Losers on Parade.
Last week, they made a guy wear a diaper while a robot spanked him.
And the week before that, this girl had to dance in a cage while they prank called her grandmother.
Enjoy.
Oh, man, we're really gonna have to crank. Because you know how Lolo rolls. She'll probably open up a whole chain of candy stores.
So, you got the Cobra in your corner. Ooh, peanut brittle. Oops.
See you later, loser!
Dude, I can help you move merch. Don't forget I've got a wall full of platinum albums, and you don't get that by just talent alone. You gotta work it, and I'm just the man to teach you how.
That's true.
Yep, mega true. Now, ready? Lesson 1. We hit him with the outdoor advertising.
If you care about birds, buy candy from Spencer Wright. Ouch! Billy, your plane is a hunk of junk. The sound system doesn't even work.
Well, maybe we should take your plane. Oh, that's right. You don't have one. Okay, guess Captain Billy's gotta be the sound man, too. Take the controls, co-pilot. What? my hat! Ah! Ah, my chains! Ah! My pants! Ah!
You know you don't have to hold on to me, right?
I don't like heights.
How can you not like heights? You're a ghost. It's me that's gonna get hurt if we fall.
I don't have time to sell candy, Daddy. I'm busy. Well, the Prime Minister will just have to wait. This is more important. Uh-huh. Sell it! Adrian! Sunscreen! And my feet, too!
The key to selling is creating buzz. And the best way to do that is to throw a rager for a bunch of A-list celebrities.
Sweet. So where are they?
Fashionably late and right on time.
Oh, yeah!
Guess it's kind of early for the A-listers.
Hey, don't diss the Jeevester, man. He's my boy. All right, now it's a party.
Actually, I can't stay.
Huh?
Yeah, see, Lolo's having this really awesome bash, and she's out of ice. I just came to pick some up. Help a buddy out?
Are you kidding me?
No! People are really thirsty! Must be all those bodies kicking it on the dance floor! Ha! Out, 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 out! Yeah, the Reg is in the house! Out, out, out!
Oh, hang on. Let me go get that ice for you.
Oh, yeah! Thanks, dude! Out, 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 out! Awesome! Thanks! You're a good kid!
You believe that guy? Billy? Hello? Where'd you go?
Lolo's party? You gotta get over here, man! It's slamming! Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Muy caliente, super caliente.
Sorry, dude, but your party was pretty deadbeat. I couldn't be seen there.
What happened to having the Cobra in my corner? Do you want me to get spanked by a robot on national TV?
It would be kind of epic. Anyway, I got it wired now. We need publicity, right? Well, there's one guaranteed way to do that.
Huh? What are you doing?
Lesson 3. You want publicity? You get arrested. It never failed for the Cobra. Cool, just like on TV. See what happens when you break the law. Ah.
You are super solitary, code blue, maximum security, grounded!
But Mom, it was just for publicity. Got any other brilliant ideas?
Lesson 4. We put on sombreros and...
Billy, I'm kidding. Your ideas are officially banned. Okay, so I'm grounded. I can work with that.
Yo, Beverly Heights! The birds are hurting. Don't be a hater. Be a bird lover. Help them out and buy some candy.
I'm no hater. Hit me with some candy.
Don't worry, Spence. I got this. He's allergic to nuts.
Well, that's it. I'm officially hosed.
Sorry, bro. You know, the real tragedy here is we let those birds down. Right, Spence? Huh?
The birds will be fine. They've been living in nests for quite a while now.
Bird outside my window, sitting on a tree, a tear in his eye, singing the blues for me.
Those poor dudes. It's so unfair. Wait, what am I saying? This is ridiculous. But I'm still all busted up inside. What is going on?
It's the power of music, man. My music, to be exact.
Wait a minute. That's it.
Yeah! Wait, what are we talking about?
Time to reach out. Time to the birds with a love so strong. Not pretty, huh?
I think I can fix that for you, buddy.
Huh?
Hey.
Time to help the birds with a love so strong. Help a bird live, help a bird fly. Ooh, buy Spencer candy and make a bird smile. Spencer's candy can make a bird smile. Help a bird live, help a bird fly. Candy candy from Spencer and make a bird smile. Woo.
Good morning, bird lovers. Today I have the pleasure of announcing which student helped the bird the most.
It's me! Yay!
Nope, losing. I sold mad candy.
Did you now? Well, guess what? I got Daddy to buy the whole candy factory, which means I sold all the candy. Go Lolo! Go Lolo! Go Lolo! What is it, Daddy? I'm busy gloating. Huh? You didn't buy the factory? Why? Some song you heard about the stupid birds? You're sending them all to college? You disappoint me, Daddy.
Go Spencer, go Spencer, go Spencer, go Spencer.
Welcome to Losers on Parade. Say hello to Low Calorie.
Yes.
Yeah.